Hey, what is going on, guys? So I just got this in here, this Apple Watch band. This is a leather Apple Watch band here. I paid $25 for. This will fit the series 1, 2, 3, or 4, 42 millimeters as well as the 44 millimeters. Now my watch here is a 44 millimeters series 4, and I just want to give you a better look at this before I put it on. You can see you got the buckle right here, and the inside is brown and the outside part is black, and the same thing with this. And the stitching here looks pretty decent. Again, I paid like 25 bucks for it. Yeah, it's definitely real leather too. And this is the box it comes with here. It's from Modern Ideas from Abroad or Mifa, as you can see back here, but just a simple plain box here. But it looks pretty decent here. It had really nice reviews, almost 5 stars with like 200 reviews. So I thought I'd give this one a chance here. So let me go ahead and put this onto my Series 4 44 millimeter here. All right, there we go. Looks pretty nice. Feels nice. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like actually on. Put it right through the loop right here. And there's two loops on here as well, as you can see right here. And let me make this a little bit tighter. But there you go. Let me pull up my sleeve here a little bit. I like it. Looks nice. Feels good. Definitely better than this seashell like nylon, the one that came with my Apple. But yeah, there you go. Looks good. Let me go ahead and take it off, and I'll put it on my nightstand here so you can see what it looks like. So let's go ahead and take this bad boy off like that. And I'm going to sleep at night.